Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about Drosophila melanogaster, which is commonly known as fruit fly. So in this video we will know some amazing facts about Drosophila melanogaster or fruit fly and some amazing facts about that. So stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, then like, subscribe and share and press the bell icon to never miss an update. So let's start the video. So flies possesses more sophisticated conjugative ability than known. Okay, so researchers at the University of California, San Diego's Kavli Institute for Brain and Mind (KIBM) have found that common flies Drosophila melanogaster have more advanced capabilities of attention, working memory, and awareness than previously believed. The findings of the study was published in the journal Nature. Using a custom-built immersive virtual reality arena, neurogenetics, and real-time brain activity imaging, researchers found conjugative ability in the fruit flies. The multi-tiered approach of their investigation found attention, working memory, and consequences awareness like capabilities in fruit flies. Conjugative ability typically only tested in mammals. The researchers were able to watch the formation, distractibility, and eventual fading of a memory trace in their tiny brains. Despite a lack of obvious anatomical similarities, this research speaks to our everyday cognitive functioning, what we pay attention to, and how we do it, said studied senior author Ralph Greenspan, a professor in UC San Diego Division of Biological Sciences and associate director of KIBM. Since all brains evolved from a common ancestors, we can draw correspondence between fly and mammalian brain region based on molecular characteristics and how we store our memories. To arrive at the heart of their new findings, the researchers created an immersive virtual reality environment to test the fly's behavior via visual stimulation and coupled the displayed imagery with an infrared laser as an averse heat stimulus. The near 360-degree panoramic arena allowed Drosophila to flap their wings freely while remaining tethered and with the virtual reality constantly updating based on their wings movement. It gave flies the illusion of flying freely in the world. This gave researchers the ability to train and test flies for conditioning tasks by allowing the insects to orient away from an image associated with the negative heat stimulus and towards a second image not associated with heat. So, they tested two variants of conditioning, one in which flies were given visual stimulation overlapping in time with the heat, both ending together, or a second trace conditioning by waiting 5 to 20 seconds to deliver the heat after sewing and removing the visual stimulation. The intervening time is considered the trace interval during which the fly retains a trace of visual stimulus in its brain, a feature inactive of attention, working memory, and conscious awareness in mammals. So, the researchers also imaged the brains to track calcium activity in real time using a fluorescent molecule they genetically engineered into their brain cells. So, this allowed the researchers to record the formation and duration of the fly's living memory since they saw the trace blinking on or off while being held in the fly's short term memory. They also find that the distraction introduced during training, a gentle puff of air, made the visual memory fade more quickly, marking the first time researchers have been able to prove such disattractiveness in flies, implicating an attentional requirement in memory formation in Drosophila. So, this work demonstrates not only that flies are capable of this higher form of stress conditioning and that the learning is distractible just like a mammals and humans, but the neural activity underlying this attentional and working memory processes in the fly show remarkably similarity to those in mammals, said Dhruv Grover, a UC San Diego KIBM research faculty member and lead author of a new study. So, this work demonstrates that fruit flies could serve as a powerful model for the study of higher conjugative functions. Simply put, the flies continues to imagine how smart it really is. So the scientists also identified that the area of fly's brain where the memory formed and faded, an area known as ellipsoid body of the fly central complex, a location that corresponds to the central cortex in the human brain. Further, the research team discovered that the neurochemical dopamine is required for such learning and higher conjugative functions. So, the data revealed that dopamine reaction increasingly occurred earlier in the learning process, eventually and anticipating the coming heat stimulus. So, the researchers are now investigating details of how attention is physiologically encoded in the brain. Grover believes the lessons learned from this model system are likely to directly inform our understandings of human conjugation strategies and neural disorders that disrupt them, but also contribute to new engineering approaches that lead to performance breakthrough in artificial intelligence design ANI. So if you like my video, then like, subscribe and share and press the bell icon to never miss an update, and please share the video as much as possible. Thank you.